watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Are you looking to create a kitchen that exudes timeless elegance and versatility? Dive into the neutral kitchen decor ideas. Neutral tones offer a sophisticated and enduring palette that can transform your kitchen into a stylish and inviting space. Whether you prefer a modern, classic, or minimalist aesthetic, neutral decor provides endless possibilities for customization to suit your taste and lifestyle. Incorporating neutral decor into your kitchen design allows for a seamless blend of style and functionality. Neutral colors such as beige, ivory, taupe, black, gray, and shades of white serve as a versatile foundation, offering a canvas for various design elements. From sleek and contemporary to cozy and traditional, neutral kitchens can cater to diverse preferences and trends. Consider integrating warm or cool neutrals based on your space's lighting and ambience. Warm neutrals with hints of pink, gold, and yellow create a welcoming atmosphere, ideal for north-facing rooms. Meanwhile, cool neutrals with hints of blue, green, and violet evoke a sense of tranquility, perfect for south-facing areas. Here are some inspiring neutral kitchen decor ideas to elevate your home. Enjoy watching. Explore these captivating neutral kitchen decor ideas to spark inspiration for your home decor journey. Whether you're drawn to the elegance of classic design or the simplicity of modern aesthetics, neutral kitchens offer endless possibilities for creating a space that reflects your personal style and enhances your daily living experience.